I will begin with one response. Colleague from Mizoram, Mahatma Gandhi School of Social Work is seeking assistance from the Department of Social Work in Mizoram, and I have been associated with that university and department for 10 plus years. So, second, mobile learning in my presentation, which I cannot do now because it is summing up and the paper will be given to you later. That was reference to Nagaland, compensatory education and mobile education where it is hilly tract and all. When I look at the presentations today, I find that in the plenary, education for all and education above all as priority, that is the main theme of the summit, and I think we find that this concern is reflected here. Professor Srivatsam's presentation, community and convergence and competence. So when I was trying to see how other participants they have added to this, I find context, content, community, convergence, communication for capability building. And Sri Natwar Thakkar particularly raised the question of violence. And whenever we are thinking of quality education and continuing education, I think not only Northeast, but throughout the country, wherever there is turbulence, educationists, they have to pay attention to certain other strategies so that next generation, our younger generation, benefits from the inputs that we have. I was very poor in mathematics. And three-rule formula, I think we should learn from him, and the basics of mathematics so that we can take things forward. Journalists, observation that people with certificates and degrees, but those who want to hire, they are not in a position to hire. I think this aspect that needs to be taken into account. And I have mentioned my own experiences because in Nagaland, particularly the village areas, in 3 villages we are working as faculty and students of Center of Social Work, and how supportive education, mobile education is one, supportive education is another. And then in my paper, I have also addressed the concern of cooperatives, because that will also be 6,000 cooperatives in Nagaland, and 13 cooperatives only, they are functional and productive. You can see the area where youth can be employed and what kind of training will be there. With this brief, I thank you all for giving me the opportunity.